Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to be talking about creating an Amazon product bundle. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me, let's get started. So this is a product bundle I do not currently offer on Amazon. This is through my own website, and you can see it has several different elements here. What I want to do is I want to take this product bundle and start selling it on Amazon, because I've found that on my own website it sells very well during the holidays. So I want to have this available on Amazon during the holiday period. The first place you need to start if you are creating a product bundle on Amazon, and I'm not talking about a virtual product bundle, I'm talking about a physical product bundle consisting of multiple parts. You need to read the product bundling policy. It's convoluted, it's complicated, you have to read it carefully. You'll have to probably go through your descriptions and other assets to determine if you can use them on Amazon, because I found out that what I currently have on my own website, that's not going to work on Amazon, particularly the title and the bullets. So Amazon has very specific policy requirements for bundling stuff on their website. And as you know, I try to follow Amazon's policies as best as I can. And I want to do this right so I don't get the product rejected or some other problem doesn't crop up. So go through these product bundle guidelines, and they'll talk about what exactly a product bundle is. Bundles must consist of items that are complementary. Bundles must consist of single items that can be easily identified by unique ASIN UPC and are sold together as a single offering. So this is basically what I'm doing. I have these items, which most of which are available already on Amazon, and and they all have ASINs, or in this case, this book has a ISBN number, so they're going to be included in the bundle. And the bundle must have its own standard product identifier or manufacturer part number. This means that if you are creating a bundle, you need to have its own UPC or GTIN or ASIN associated with it. In this case, I did create a separate ASIN for this, not ASIN, a separate GTIN or UPC code for the bundle itself. Each one of these elements has its own UPC code, or in this case, an ISBN code, but there's also a bundle UPC code I created on GS1, and I prepared that. And actually, let me just show you one of the images here. So this is an image I prepared for the product bundle. This actually goes on the outside of the packaging. You can see there's a UPC code here. So this is what I have for the whole bundle. So I already prepared that in advance. And by the way, when you're creating something this complicated on Amazon, you really need to have all of your elements ready to go before you start the process of adding the product. So I've created the metadata, I have images ready, I have special images that are just going to appear on Amazon, and most importantly, I have new titles and new bullets, because Amazon has very specific requirements about that. So let's keep on going through this. There's other requirements of what not to include and what you should include. The thing that was really important for me was the bundle title for the Amazon product bundle. So bundle title length should align to the title length rules in Amazon's listing policy. This listing policy allows for listings with a title length of maximum 200 characters. So I had to think about this because my old title was actually quite short, but in order to follow these rules that Amazon has for product bundles, you need to be able to kind of lengthen things out, because they're very specific, and it will make your title longer. I use a tool on let's see if I can find it. I use a tool that helps me determine what the word length is. You can also use, of course, Google Docs or Word to count the tool. So I use this thing. It's called JavaScript Kit. I don't even know where it's from. So like taking the example of this title right here. So it's a Kodak EasyShare camera with a rechargeable battery carrying case. So if you pasted that in to this tool, you'll see that the characters are 100 characters long, and actually it's 98 because I put the quotation marks in there. So just find a tool where you can count it out, because if it's longer than 200 characters, you're going to get bounced. But the other thing besides the length is these requirements that the bundle title has to include the word bundle and the number of items in the bundle in the product title. Further, if the bundle includes many items, you have to list the primary and secondary items in the title along with a total number of items in the title, and then you have to use like phrases like bundle with. So I actually spent a long time going through these three alternate versions of how to title the bundle. I decided to use this particular one. So this is the one where there's a lot of different items in there. I have to list the number of items. I have to have the main product title, and I have to list a component summary. And I came up with something, and you can actually see it right here. So this is my metadata kind of compilation for the Amazon listing. So you can see this is the title that I have going here. So it's Genealogy Starter Kit Bundle with all the other items that I included in there. Originally on my own website, you can see that the title of the product is Jumbo Genealogy Starter Bundle. I cannot use that because according to Amazon's rules, it has to be the dominant product has to appear first, and the dominant product is just the genealogy form starter kit. So I can't use Jumbo in the name of this product because this product doesn't have that name. So I had to do a little bit of wordsmithing here, and I put Jumbo in here with a genealogy gift set because that's basically what it is. This is intended for somebody to give, like, a genealogist or a budding genealogist. You give them a gift set that includes everything they need to get started. So that's the idea behind this, but I had to kind of move things around. So the title on Amazon will not be the same as the title I already have existing on my own website. The other thing that came up with the requirements for the Amazon product bundles are the product details and images. So this seems deceptively short, but actually they're pretty complicated. Feature bullet 1 in the detail page for your bundle, and detail page, by the way, is your Amazon product page. It must state that the product is a bundle of X number of items and must identify the products in the bundle. So what this means, actually, in my case, is this first bullet will be really, really long because if I'm including the names of all the products in there, it's gonna stretch out. And I tried to do a little bit of kind of summarization, so I'm not listing out the full product title, because if that was the case, the bullet would be like 500 words long if I included the official product title for everything. So I've shortened things a bit, but this took a long time to kind of get this to within a reasonable size for like a long bullet. The description in the detail page for your bundle must state that the product is a bundle, must also identify the products in the bundle. So basically repeating whatever feature bullet 1 is. And then the main image for the bundle must include the specific products in the bundle and must not include any items that are excluded from the bundle. So actually in this case, because I already have this bundle set up on my own website, I already have the images ready to go. So this is exactly what's going to be in the Amazon bundle. So I was good on the images, but I really had to work a long time on getting these particular elements right. So the other things that you need to have ready for your Amazon product bundle after you've worked out the title and the description and the bullet is you need to have image assets. So as I've already said, I do have some image assets like this one right here. So this is an Amazon specific picture that's going to appear there. And then I have a version of my my bundle photograph. I have several versions of this particular thing, but this shows exactly what's in the bundle, so people will know exactly what they're getting. And plus, this shows the packaging and how long it is. Some of these images, this image actually, I used one of my graphic designers to help me out with this. This one I just made on Canva. You can use tools like that to make your images, but as with all sorts of Amazon product listings, like the images really are key. You need to get that right. So make sure you have good looking images for your product bundle. Make sure that you follow Amazon's product bundling policy, even though it's really long and I think a little bit contradictory at times. Just try to follow it as best you can, and good luck making your Amazon product bundle. This is Ian from Lean Media. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And if you go to leanmedia.org, it's my official website, click on blog or video. I have tons more free advice about using Amazon and building your Amazon FBA business. Thanks so much for watching.